Hello everyone. On today's IRS Tax Refund update, we'll take a look at the latest tax refund batch that was released overnight by the IRS, as well as those still encountering those refund status error messages when checking the status of their tax returns online. We will also recap yet another notice taxpayers are receiving who are experiencing extended waits with their refunds, and the IRS has released an announcement in regards to those interest payments for late refunds being sent out. Now, starting off with the latest news, as the next tax refund batch has been released and transmitted by the IRS to those taxpayers with a direct deposit date of August 17th. Now, do allow up until August 22nd to receive that deposit. Also, it has to be noted the IRS Refund Status Results Tracker does not always display the most up-to-date information, so it is advised to check those tax transcripts to confirm if you're part of this latest refund batch. Among those who are reporting part of the refund batch include e-file and paper filers from the months of January through April. We have finally seen in the last week some April filers reporting progress. However, as of this recording, no reports for those who filed their tax returns after the April 18th tax filing deadline. While some taxpayers, especially those who e-filed, have been reporting encountering tax topic codes 151 and 152, many of those who filed paper returns have still been encountering this refund status error message that indicates the information you entered does not match. Now, we continue to hear from a number of our viewers who are encountering this message, and this is going to be a normal message to encounter, even though in fact you did enter the correct information. Now, the IRS will have no record of your paper returns in their system until manual processing begins, and in no way means the IRS did not receive your tax return, as there's still over 7 million unprocessed paper returns sitting at one of 3 tax processing centers in the country. If you plan to mail in your paper return next year, it is advised you send it by certified mail so that at least you have confirmation it has been received. Now, the IRS has already announced they will not be taking the appropriate steps to streamline the system and send you notifications once the tax return has been received in the mail. At this point, even if the IRS system does not indicate they have received your return, it is advised by the IRS and tax professionals not to submit a duplicate tax return unless instructed to do so. Sending a duplicate return could lead to even further refund delays when your return is finally being processed, and you're likely to receive this letter from the IRS notifying you to only submit one return unless it is an amended return. One of the biggest causes of those ongoing tax delays this year has been a result of over 12 million tax returns containing errors, which required additional processing and corrections. So even for those of you who had error-free tax returns, you are unfortunately experiencing delays as a result of this. Now, majority of those incorrect returns were for those claiming the child tax credit or recovery rebate credit. Now, if you made an error in regards to claiming one of these credits, you do not have to file an amended return. Instead, the IRS will automatically correct the return and send out an adjusted refund. If you're among this impacted group, you will receive this notice, the CP12 letter, detailing the credit at the top, like seen here, which was the source of the error and the updated refund amount. Meanwhile, the IRS has just announced they will be increasing interest rates starting October 1st for those receiving late refunds. Individuals will see that interest rate now at 6% and 5% for corporations. Unfortunately, there still will be those taxpayers waiting for their refund in the fall, and will see this interest rate increase. As a reminder, the interest received from the IRS is taxable and will be needed to report it as income on next year's taxes. Now, despite these ongoing delays, there are already taxpayers preparing for next tax season, including changing the time frame in which they file, changing the tax software they use to file their taxes, and sending their paper returns by certified mail. Let us know in the comment section below if you plan on doing anything different with next year's tax filing. Also, let us know in the comment section below your ongoing tax processing issues. In the meantime, we will keep monitoring the situation for further developments, so make sure to click on the thumbs up and subscribe button below for future updates on this channel, and thanks for watching.